Hi, my name is Chuck Cobb. I'm the author of the Project Manager's Guide to Mastering Agile. That will be the third book I published to date on Agile project management, and I've also published 2 earlier books on business excellence. Agile is creating a major paradigm shift in how projects are managed. In the past, traditional plan-driven projects had an emphasis on predictability of costs and schedules, and the most important role in that environment was the project manager. In an Agile environment, there's a major shift in emphasis to maximizing business value, and the primary role in that environment is the product owner and the business sponsor. Many business people are just not well prepared to take on these new roles, and that is exactly what this course is all about. Here's an overview of the modules in this course. We're going to start with an in-depth discussion of lean software development and value stream analysis. Then we're going to talk about value-driven delivery. This course is part of an overall curriculum for Agile business management that consists of 3 learning paths. This course is the second of 4 courses in the Mastering Agile Business Management learning path. The goal of this learning path is to help prepare business people to take a leadership role in leading Agile projects as a product owner or a position of equivalent responsibility. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn Agile business management with the Understanding Lean and Value-Driven Delivery course at Pluralsight.